or Noida. He is also a founder of company Craft in Noida. He is also founding director of company Travel in Noida and also have experience from Tech India Project Company. Uh, Now I request uh, Dr. Anuranjan Mishra sir to give their views regarding this session.
Respected Meenakshi Madam,
Thank you, sir.
Director General Sir, Director Sir, Manoj Singh Sir, and faculty members and students. Actually, first I want to introduce the Innovation, Incubation and Startup Council. Ministry of Human Resource and Development, Government of India has established MSME Innovation Cell (MIC) by systematically uh, foster the culture of the innovation among all higher education institutions. The primary mandate of MIC is to encourage, inspire, and nurture young students for supporting them to work with new ideas and transform them into prototypes while they are in informative years. MIC has established encouraging streaming institutions, innovation councils across the selected HEIs. A network of IIC has established to promote innovation and entrepreneurship in the institutions through the multi-directions models leading to an innovation promotions ecosystem in the countries. In the view of the above, GNOIT has started Innovation, Incubation and Startup Council at GNOIT. Major focus of this startup council is to create a vibrant local innovation ecosystem, startups supporting mechanism in HEIs, prepare institute for Atal ranking of institutions on innovation achievements and frameworks, and establishment function of ecosystem for scouting ideas and pre-incubation of ideas, develop better cognitive ability among the students. And we have various centers like MSME Business Incubation Center, MSME Design Center, Institution Innovation Councils, Startup Development Cell, Entrepreneurship Development Cell, Center of Excellences, and the Internship Center for the students. And at present, three startups are residing in our campus, and the students, various students bodies are Idea Club, Innovation Club, Startup Club, and IP Club. In the series, in the Impact Lecture series, which is organized by the Ministry of Education and GNOIT, we have started, and in this we have called Meenakshi Madam as a second speaker, and we are proud privilege within a short span of time she has given the time to our incubation center. So welcome, ma'am.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for introducing me. First of all, I would like to say that it's a very big opportunity for
Na-
me to speak to the students. Actually, if I'm here today, it's just because of my startup. And you said so short span of time what you mentioned in the before. So it's like it's for me. It was very difficult to like speak in front of so many students after giving so much work also, because it's like we work. I'm onto the work end, but never spoke about my work to people. Speaking about me, my name, as you mentioned, is Meenakshi Huda. I started my first startup in 2017. The name of my startup was Travel In. Travel In, as the name is clearly describing, it's a travel startup. So I never wanted to do something in startup or something like that. It was just an instant that pitched me up. Uh, if I say what's about the startup, it's always driven by passion. What I believe. If a lot of students are present here, so if I'm speaking about every one of them, some have some idea regarding the startup, some want to do a startup. I don't know what is the reason behind that, and some are just that कि okay मेरा ये friend startup कर रहा है तो I have to do that. I don't want to work under someone. So this is different phases that people go through in life for starting a startup. What my idea behind starting travel in, it was just that ki on a day due to some circumstances I was in a place where I didn't wanted to work as an engineer. I was a software engineer, passed in 2013. I did my engineering in software development, and I was a successful application development iPhone application developer, earning good bread and butter for me. But then it was that something that clicked me up. I just saw some post and it was like they are looking for co-founders and all that, and that something clicked me up. I was true a frequent traveler. I used to travel a lot. I was too much interested in that. But I've seen the industry is being dominated by Make My Trip, iBibo, and all other XYZ companies. And there was a lot of charge they were putting, like kind of a customer service charge. If a product is about of X amount, people were charging Y to them, and the X and Y difference was like 30-40%. While these startups were focused more on the mainstream travel, we wanted to do something offbeat. And that's when we started with traveling, and main focus of our company was on happiness retreats. These happiness retreats were basically an idea of my mentor, Mr. Gopi Krishna Bali. So if I'm talking about today's session, I think if I'm speaking, it will be of no use. So is there any way if we can like make it two-way communication with students around here? Dr. Mishra, can we do it like that? Hello? Is someone there? Is it audible to everyone? Yeah, Abhishant?
Yes, ma'am.
So in any way, can we do it two-way? Like if the
Audible,
people
yes,
can, yeah, if the students can participate, they can put the mute off, and if it can be a two-way communication, because it's like speaking and speaking, it won't be useful at all.
Yes,
Is
ma'am.
it
Yes, ma'am.
possible? Anybody from the organizer end?
Uh,
Yes, ma'am.
yeah, I will convey to that the Professor Anuranjan. Just
Okay,
wait for a while.
sure, sir. Sure, sir. Because I feel
Yes,
this
ma'am.
is the best way.
Yes, ma'am. You are audible.
Ravinder sir, students are can unmute their mic to ask some questions or participate in the session.
Okay.
Yes, yes sir.
Yeah, ma'am. Students should be allowed, sir.
Yes, you can allow because ma'am wants so.
Okay.
Yeah, because this is the only way to proceed with the session. If I'm just speaking it up, nobody will be interested, and I think it won't be of any use. What I believe.
Yes, yes sir. Yes sir. Okay. Ma'am, kindly continue and students will ask the question. They can unmute themselves.
Okay, they can unmute this. Okay, great. So my first question with the student is why startup? What is the reason behind starting with something? So if anybody who want to answer this,
Yes, ma'am.
Serve the society.
to serve the society, and any other answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, please. Anubhav. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. We can make ourselves as a boss. We can. Yes, sir.
Okay, you don't want to work under someone. So one of the reason that I think very justified reason. Anything
Yes,
else?
ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am. Like there are many problems by startup. We can solve the problem.
So you have some recognized problem and you want to solve that, right, Parth?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, that's great. The answers, anybody else who want to answer it? Anybody there? Okay, let's proceed further. So and all the answers that two three answer we have got today, it's serving the society or we want to be our own boss. That is one of the prominent reason of starting something. And third is the recognition of problem and the answer to that. So if the question, the reason behind starting something is clear, then I think you have cleared a basic milestone of achieving your startup, like or creating your startup. So if you know what is the reason that is driving you towards that, then I think moving towards the startup is very easy. Simply saying, if I can quote what I have learned till now from my mentor, is when the why is clear, the how is easy. Why you want to do this, then how to do it become easy. Next, uh, what so anybody of you having some idea in your mind regarding the startup, any business idea or something like that? Because if you're joining here, there must be something that you want to push further, or maybe something that is pushing you towards or inclining you towards the startup. Any idea anybody has? Okay, so if nobody's having the idea, or maybe you guys are looking forward to a startup to be your own boss, but you're not clear about the vision. So first of all, as I said, the reason should be clear, the why should be clear, why I want to do the startup. Next, once you're clear about the why, then the idea of the business should be cleared. uh, the idea regarding a business is very simple. It is the reason or a definition that describe the business in one line, maximum 20 to 30 seconds. For example, if I'm talking about Uber, the idea, or if I can say the elevator pitch for Uber was key. This is something like Uber is something you just have to open your mobile, click on the application, you book something, you will get a Wagner or a Mercedes A line just in front of you, taking you from your particular source to destination. So he was clear. It can be a Wagner, maybe any XYZ car, or maybe a business, I can say a very Porsche car. Something, any of the car can come in front of you and will take you to the destination. Just a line and Uber is clear. No functionality, no definition, nothing else. So this is what the idea should be about the business. Like your business should have the clear idea about what you are going to do, and that one definition will solve all your problems and will explain the users what exactly you want to do. So after your why is clear, ki why I want to become something or become an entrepreneur, then the idea behind the business should be clear. So one of the person here said ki there is some problem and I want to solve that problem. So if I'm talking about the problem of education, Byju's or an academy, these people have a problem. They don't have that much money to spend to go for a coaching center outside their village and town, and they knew they want to solve that problem. So the why was clear. Now they figure out how they can clear that thing. So they developed some application, they connected teachers and student on a platform, and they solved that idea. After uh, after why, the idea, that is how, next comes your business model. What I believe, nowadays people shutting down their startups. So we are having, for example, like thousands of startups coming up into our city in a month, and then two or three are running, and almost rest all 99 startups are shutting down. The reason behind shutting downs of these startups is a business model. People start something, but they don't have the vision, a long time vision for that. So the biggest drawback of not having a business model, was seen at the time of COVID. So I started traveling in 2017, and as you all know, so COVID era was very bad for all of us, and especially for the travel industry. I had a vision. I had some things sorted up for my company. Ki X money I have to put on the development. X should be saved for future. X should be used for further. Maybe there will be a time then we are not having the clients, or we are not having the corporates, so we can run the business smoothly in that time. So that business model helped me throughout this COVID era. Like there was a time for approximately 6 to 7 months we had no clients, but we changed our perspective, moving towards normal client who wanted to travel to offbeat location or having happiness retreat. We switched to doctors. We organized the stays for doctors. We helped them to get distance from their family. For example, we helped to book them affordable stay so that they can stay at the hotel itself, don't go to the family, and they can save their family from the COVID thing. So we did pretty well in that. So that's why I said business model. People don't have a business model, or people don't want to spend time in making a business model. That's why the business is shut down. You have an idea of creating a cafe, maybe a cafe, a reader's cafe, people who can read there and people who can have a coffee time or maybe a meeting or something like that. You have a thought about that. You just like, okay, I should buy a place on rent. I should get some cutlery done. I should get the figure out the interiors and all that stuff, and let's start. There's nothing to thought about. So if you're doing in this way, definitely you have no vision about the business. You are lucky enough if you do it great, but then you can get it into a problem in, I think, a maximum 2 months or 3 months, when you are not having a client, when you don't have budget to further pay your rent or xyz things, and this will make you forward to a very, very, very big problem. So I believe a business model is something that you should give at least 3 to 4 months before starting any business. Business model, if there, you can run on a long time, else you will definitely stuck for a longer time, because shutting one startup, it's like taking a risk capacity decreases to 2 or 3%. Like if you are, for example, if I'm starting something new, I'll be 100% okay. I can take risk. My life is, I have a lot life. I have a lot of money. I can do whatever I can. So first step is, should be one of the best step of your life. And then after that, definitely the risk taking capacity of everyone decreases. So start something, clear your why, get an idea, move to a business model, and then start it. Like the main phase startup should be after that. After your business model is clear, you can register yourself, you get into the legal domain, and then you are good to go. What I believe. So I believe why idea and the business model are the key steps toward moving a startup. And once you are done with all of that, you have started your business, then there are plans. Then there is a about your business, what exactly you're doing. You have to tell people what you are doing. So you should be clear about your business. What is the industry and competition you guys are having? If I'm talking about my industry, I have small vendors or big vendors, everybody else who are competition for me. So I should know where I stand or where my company stand as compared to the other people around. Similarly, you should be clear about your competitors, your small competitor, bigger competitor, your coming up competitors. So if I'm talking about the competition, we believe the vendor who's sitting next to me on the road is my competitor, but it's not, because we are in an environment where we are all online. So access to just the next vendor, it's not that people are having, they have access to multiple people around the world. So our competition have become bigger. Similarly, the risk of failing business has become bigger, because people can approach more people now, but they can approach you also. You can think otherwise as well. But yeah, industry and competition is something what we should always judge before moving forward. We should have a growth strategy. The growth strategy means, okay, what are my long term visions, what are my short term vision, how should I invest, or what is the right time to expand, what are the right peoples I should have in my company. What explains my organization products. Is describe your overall growth strategy, why, how, and what you want to grow exactly. So if you have these things lined up, like from your business, first of all, what is your business all about? Second, what are your industry competitions? And next, the growth strategy. Just these three pillars, if they are in equilibrium, you can balance your startup very well. So one balance can lead to the other balance and definitely to the growth. I believe funding or expansion, these are something that should be done after you have all the plans ready, because hurrying up in any of these steps can definitely so you guys must be thinking here ki I'm just saying negative about the things ki you can fail, the startup can shut down, the business can shut down, but it's very important. You have to just know it ki if the pillars of a startup, like a base, what we call just roots, are not stable enough, then you can fall very easily. And this is something I have learned over my time. Next, if I move toward a startup or getting growing with the startup, are the action points, that some action points you should always mention about your things. Ki what exactly the cost structure I can think of, what are the revenue streams my company should have, what are the channels through which I can promote my company, or what are the aspiring competitors of my company. I think these things will help you key down starting up something, and this will definitely help you to begin with and further grow, and maybe lead to funding in other things. Like, this is all in short I want to say about the startup things, and I'm open to questions. Is there anybody there who can just ask me about the things? Dr. Mishra? Anybody there from the organizer team?
Yes. Uh,
Yes, sir.
in
Sir, I have just put my thoughts down. So, like, students are open to question if they want to ask something.
students, so you may ask the question. It is open for you for asking the different questions. No question? Yes, students?
Hello, ma'am.
Hello? Yeah, who's this?
So yeah,
Yes.
it's Harshit Gupta.
Okay, hi.
Hello, ma'am. So, ma'am, as you mentioned that prepare your plan and everything, but I want to know that how can I approach to the other person
Other person for?
for funding and many more things for starting it into a business.
Okay, first of all, what I believe is it depends on your idea. If your idea requires a funding, you should move for funding. Else, you should first bootstrap your this thing organization. So if you're clear about your business plans, if you're clear about your what exactly the revenue stream for your startup. For example, if I'm putting X amount into my startup, I can get Y amount. If this calculation is clear with you, you can anyway go for funding. And it's not about the channels of funding ki I should go from X incubation center or Y place. There are a lot of places to get funding. You just pitch your idea on LinkedIn and people will be there to help you out. Seriously, there is no other way. If you're thinking ki, okay, I should part in that competition, I should have this software thing ready, I should have this website ready, and then only the people will going to fund me. This is not the scene. Just put 100, not 100 if you are not good at starting in this. You just put 10 messages on LinkedIn to the people, to the investors, and pitch your idea there. But the idea should be very clear. I said, no, like Uber was clear about that. Ki we are just putting one button and there are cars landing in front of us to pick us and drop us. This one line, if this one liner is clear to you, what your startup is all about, what is the problem that it is solving, then definitely nobody can stop you to get funding. So I think one of the best medium is LinkedIn.
LinkedIn के अलावा कोई और क्योंकि वो मैं ट्राई कर चुका हूँ.
LinkedIn you have tried. It didn't work for you?
Not that much.
Not that much. So there are other places. So if I'm talking about I started with one of my entrepreneurship course with IIM Bangalore. Although that was only women-centric course, so but there are other courses as well that are women as well as male as well as female supported startups. So you can register there. They are hardly 1 or 2 months. They'll help you down with the financial things. Will help you to figure out the financials of your company, how you can put forward them, and there is a networking with those people. They invite you to the alumni network of people who get into these funding stuff. So these people can also help you out with these things, and they'll help you to prepare the full-fledged plan. How can you put forward to funding? They will connect you to the AI network as well, to maybe the developer as well, to expand your startup. So this is also one of the ways you can find out those things at Startup India as well. You can search online as well what entrepreneurship courses are going on for the people, and these courses are free of cost, and they give you a lot of learning. Seriously. So this is one of the other medium of like going forward with the funding. But what's your plan is clear, then I think it's not a problem. If you're into the like for it's all about the money flow. If your startup is having the money flow, inflow and outflow in a right balanced manner, and their financials are clear, then funding is never an issue for any startup. Anything else?
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Anybody else here who wanna ask some question?
Ma'am, I have a question. I'm
Yes,
Dr.
sir.
Ranjan Mishra.
Yes, sir.
Then how you think about to open your start your own startup? Because many students think about the job. Okay, when we passed out or when we complete the degree, I will start the job. Then what
Mm-hmm.
are the basic challenges you face, and how you think over that so that our students also motivated to think about to start their startups?
So, for me, starting a startup journey was never a dream, as I mentioned earlier as well. It was not something I wanted to do whole my life. Yeah, my full life was inclined towards that. I belonged to a very orthodox family. My father, he had a simple dream of getting me married after my graduation, and that's it. And that also happened. Like I completed my graduation in 2013, and the next year I was married. My family wanted me to get into a government job. I was preparing for that only. But there are circumstances when life hits you hard. So that all happened with me also. There was some what I can say family issues, and there on a night I took my step and I stepped out of my house, and I came Noida because it was like it. I did my iPhone application development training from here, so this place was wholesale quite relatable to me. So I came here, and then I was applying for jobs because I did some freelance development before as well, and I was earning good. But when I went for first interview, it was like 9 a.m. for the interview, and I was wholesale sleepy. So I was like, okay, so I have to wake up every day to just get into a job. सुबह जाऊंगी शाम को आऊंगी देन सुबह जल्दी उठना पड़ेगा जाना पड़ेगा देन आना पड़ेगा आई वॉज क्लियर आई कांट डू दिस थिंग मतलब स्लीप इज समथिंग सबका एक वीक पॉइंट होता है ना तो स्लीप इज माई वीक पॉइंट आई नेवर वॉन्ट टू बाउंड माई सेल्फ आई कैन वर्क 24 hours but I never want to bound myself to like 9 to 5 so this was something I was clear ki I can't do a job and definitely I needed something for money matlab simple it was clear because I was all alone I stepped out of my house my parents were not supporting me on my decisions and I only had I think $6,000 in my account so at that time I had no option to do else matlab just to do something it was just my Facebook I was swiping around and I was founding people post looking for co-founders and this and that and there was some guy by the name of Vineet who was looking for a co-founder for his travel company. I approached him. He was very happy with my profile and everything because I was from a software background. So he was looking forward to someone like that. Plus, as a God gift, I had good communication skills. So I was able to communicate myself well towards him. And he was like, okay, let's start with this thing. And let's start a travel thing and all that. So I was like, okay, let's start because so travel always used to attract me enough. So we started this thing. It was like 2 months. I was really enjoying the time. We were 3 people who started it all through. And but after 2 months, what I realized was these people were not working at all. The two co-founders with me, I was liking this a lot. The travel thing, the travel startup and everything. I had good connects previously as well, and I was developing more connects. People were getting convinced the way I was. I had new ideas for starting up, which my co-founders were not interested, or they were very slow in processing. I just asked him, "Ki this is also life," because I left my stream, like software stream, to a travel stream without any background of travel. This was something big I was doing in my life, and that could affect my life also, because if it fails, then I have nothing in my hand. Maybe I have to go for a 9 to 5 job again. So I was clear with them ki please be sure whether you guys want to do this thing or it's just a second option for you. So they were not clear about their things कि हमें करना है नहीं करना है. They were like okay, हमें अभी कुछ issues हैं, या हम अभी नहीं कर सकते, ये problem है, वो problem है, XYZ problem they calculated. And I was like okay, if you guys can do, I don't have other option, I have to do. So that was the day I came home. I made a decision, I want to do something on my own. And that day Travelin was born. I think the next day I moved towards registering my startup and started all together, like uplifting the ideas, getting my vendor connects, traveling to get the connects, contacting the owners and all that, making a separate branch. How can I attract more people? How can I maybe more cost effective? And how can I add a element of my passion, that is I want to be happy forever, so to it. So the way it kicked start, and I think touchwood, the month I registered, I was able to acquire 2-3 inquiries. I had 2 people in my company at that time, and then from the time we are working, like, and it's going good, touchwood, like it helped me out breakthrough. This is it.
Thank you, ma'am. Very interesting story. I think this is a story of every student when he passed out. He want to do a job. He or she want to do a job, but definitely think over that if he or she he dare about it to start their own startup. But you have taken this fear, and definitely you got succeed. So, ma'am, one more question: what are
Mm-hmm.
the challenges you face for the funding?
I have not. I didn't got funding for my startup yet, and I don't want to go for it also. Uh, I think for 2 years more, because the COVID thing has hit the startup hard, and I don't want anybody to invest money when the ideas are just pushing up. Like I have different branches of my stream, and they are just collecting up themselves. So for funding, the challenges I faced was when I started the registration thing. So it requires obviously an X amount. I told you, the day I started, I only had 6,000 rupees in my account. So to register it, to get a website, a domain and everything, it requires at least 30-40,000 rupees with you. Plus when your first client make a booking, you have to pay advance as well. So if I'm talking about my startup, it was all skill oriented rather than funding oriented. So while at that time for starting it up, I only needed nearly 1 or 2 lakh rupees in my hand, and then I borrowed it from my friends. And for further in case of enhancing it further, so it was like we were saving at each point of time. 1 year was literally tough for us. Like if I'm talking about the people I had in my team and every one of us, it was really tough, because if we are saving X amount, we have to if you are earning X amount, we have to save X minus 9 of them, and spending only 1 of it, like X minus 9 minus 1, that is simple 1. अगर मतलब मैं 10 कमा रही हूँ, तो I have to save 9 in order to grow my startup, because you have to do a lot of marketing also, you have to put into your system as well, plus you have to hire team. So it was difficult. रादर देन अगर उस टाइम पे आई वुड हैव हैड लैक्स ऑफ रुपीज, तो मैं एक अच्छी टीम हायर करती, एक अच्छा सा पीआर रखती, मार्केटिंग करती, एक फुल फ्लेज वेबसाइट क्रिएट करती, तो आई थिंक the place where I am today, I would have been 3 years back. So this is one of the challenge that funding gives you, कि आपको टाइम लगेगा किसी भी चीज को ग्रो करने में, बट ऐसा नहीं है अगर आपके पास फंडिंग नहीं है तो आप ग्रो नहीं कर सकते हो. एवरीथिंग टेक्स टाइम. और आजकल तो देयर आर डिफरेंट डिफरेंट मीडियम्स. सो वन ऑफ द मीडियम इज नेटवर्किंग. if you have you are in a college, so what I believe, अगर हम 4 साल कॉलेज में हैं तो हम लर्न से ज्यादा नेटवर्क क्रिएट करते हैं, लर्निंग से ज्यादा हमारा नेटवर्क क्रिएट होता है. कॉलेज इज नॉट अबाउट लर्निंग. लर्न तो हम, अगर इफ आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट माय स्ट्रीम सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियरिंग, आई थिंक एक 6 मंथ्स के कोर्स से भी मैं वो लर्न कर लूंगी जो मैंने 4 साल की सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियरिंग में सीखा है. But it's not about that 6 months of learning or the skill that I have gained, but the network I have created. Those friends that you create in 4 years, your teachers, your mentors that you get in 4 years, these are the people who are going to help you in future in your startup. I think 50% of them will be your clients, what I believe. So second place of funding were definitely my friends that helped me out in growing that. And yeah, it slowed down the process, but yes, I believe funding is not something that is the only way of moving forward. So this is what I can say. And yes, for a product based industry, funding is important, but if I'm talking about the service industry, it is more inclined on your skill rather than funding. This is it, sir.
Very good story and inspiring words. And one more question.
Yes, sir.
What do you suggest to the students of GNO IT who
Mm-hmm.
wish to become entrepreneurs?
Sorry.
What you wish to suggest to the students who want to become the entrepreneur, how they start and what they do if they
Sir,
want to become an entrepreneur, if they want to open their own company?
so the first suggestion is the reasons should be clear why you want to become an entrepreneur. If this reason is clear and strong enough to start, I think you should go with it. उसके बाद उसके जो steps हैं, you will find people around you learning. Or first of all, the best part is you people have a entrepreneurship club in your college, and you are helping people. The teachers are there itself to help to start, and you will have mentors. You have 2-3 startups in your campus itself. So I think these people are something that will help the students around the college or in the college to start their thing. But first of all, the why, the reason should be clear. If the reason is clear and it is driven by passion, either passion or money, I believe both of them are clear. कि ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि it should be only passion. अगर money भी उसके reason, एक one of the passion is money, maybe somebody have the passion of money itself कि I want to earn. So if that is also there, then you can go. Like, it's good to go, you can start. And for starting, it's not just an idea, that should be a new one. देखो किसी भी चीज को स्टार्ट करने के लिए 2 चीजें इंपॉर्टेंट है. या तो आपका आइडिया वो रेवोल्यूशनरी आइडिया हो जो सब कुछ ट्रांसफॉर्म कर दे कि मैं जो कर रहा हूँ वो कोई नहीं कर रहा है, तो you are successful in that definitely. अगर उसका there is a process line that is clear, उसकी working, it's a workable idea, then you are like something you can pitch it in a day or maybe in a week or maybe in a month also. ऐसे भी आइडियाज हैं जो मार्केट में आते हैं, आते ही सब कुछ ट्रांसफॉर्म कर देते हैं. सो दीज आर रेवोल्यूशनरी आइडिया. जोमेटो एक रेवोल्यूशनरी आइडिया था जिसने हमारे फूड को पूरा लाइन अप कर दिया. हम ऑर्डर आज घर पे बैठ के वी आर डिपेंडेंट ऑन जोमेटोज. वी पीपल XYZ पीपल आर डिपेंडेंट. एंड सेकंड इज यू आर कॉपिंग एन आइडिया, यू लाइक दैट थिंग, इतना ज्यादा पसंद है कि आई वांट टू डू दैट, या मेरे पास इतने स्किल्स है कि आई कैन डू बेटर. सो दैट इज आल्सो वन ऑफ द थिंग that you can do in startup. Swiggy Zomato की copy था, but Swiggy also worked the same way Zomato works. So it's just that you are not having a revolutionary idea, you are copying other idea, but you are clear you can do it in a better way, or maybe in a similar way you can go for that. So it's about that. अगर आपका why clear है, you have right skills for the thing, then you can go ahead. You just get some counseling from your teachers around, your network around, your friends around. I think the friends are the best counselor. They'll criticize you first and then they'll move you forward कि हाँ चलो कर सबसे पहले वो उसकी कमियां निकाल देंगे. So go to your good friends, they'll help you out कि हाँ X कमी है इसमें या Y कमी है. So उसके बाद you just close those queries or you can move forward. And it's just that nobody is having money. अगर मैं किसी startup की बात कर रही हूँ कि except for if I'm talking about billionaires, उनकी family are derived money and they are doing it first day marketing कर रहे हैं, कोई growth plan launch हो रहा है तो पहले ही उसको public मिल गई है कि उनके पास पहले ही है कि हाँ यार ये सारे लोग तो हमसे खरीदेंगे. उसके अलावा lot of people don't have money, they start from zero and कोई भी family startup को support नहीं करती. मैं सिंपल है ये लॉजिक. इफ आई एम हियर टुडे, आई थिंक 1 साल पहले मेरे फादर ने रिकॉग्नाइज किया कि वी आर डूइंग समथिंग. उससे पहले तो दे वर लाइक ओके बस ये अपना काम चला रहे हैं. दे आर डूइंग देयर ओन स्टफ. एंड व्हेन वी क्रैक गुड गवर्नमेंट कॉन्टैक्ट्स एंड नाउ दे नो कि हाँ हम लोगों ने सेल्फ बिल्ड इतने कॉन्टैक्ट्स बिल्ड अप कर लिए कि पीपल नो अस फ्रॉम दिस नेम. नाउ दे रिकॉग्नाइज कि हाँ मेरे बच्चे आर डूइंग समथिंग गुड. एल्स उनके लिए फिर वो आईएएस ऑफिसर या एक डिफेंस ऑफिसर ही सब कुछ होता है. पेरेंट्स कभी भी नहीं चाहेंगे उनका बच्चा स्टार्टअप करे. सो इफ दीज रेस्ट्रिक्शंस आर देयर इन लाइफ, मनी इज अ रेस्ट्रिक्शन, फैमिली इज अ रेस्ट्रिक्शंस, then it's okay, then you're good to go. उसके अलावा कोई और रेस्ट्रिक्शन हो, मतलब आपका माइंड अगर आपके लिए रेस्ट्रिक्शन है, then it's a problem. else सब प्रॉब्लम्स नहीं है, they are just the way you have to figure out. That's it.
मैम आपने जैसा मेंशन किया था कि कॉलेज के अंदर नेटवर्क होना बहुत जरूरी होता है.
हाँ जी.
तो मतलब अब मेरे पास कुछ ऐसे लोगों का नेटवर्क है जहाँ से मैं मतलब अपने स्टार्टअप के लिए कुछ आइडिया उनके साथ शेयर कर सकता हूँ.
Okay.
बट वो किसी वे में मेरी हेल्प नहीं कर पा रहे हैं. तो क्लियरली मैं अब आपकी कन्वर्सेशन सुनने के बाद ये जानना चाहता हूँ कि अगर मुझे आपके नेटवर्क में आना है तो मुझे कैसे मतलब एक वे मिलेगा, पाथ.
अगर मेरे नेटवर्क में आना मतलब मेरे नेटवर्क में या मेरे से कनेक्ट करना, व्हाट एग्जैक्टली वांट टू से? आई जस्ट वांट टू गेट इट क्लियर.
वी कैन से दैट आपसे कनेक्ट करना है या अपने आइडिया आपके साथ शेयर करना है, या मुझे एक ऐसा मेंटोर चाहिए जिसके साथ मैं मतलब आगे डिस्कस कर सकता हूँ.
Okay, so first of all, you can connect me anytime. That's not a problem at all. I think जो भी आपके faculty members हैं, you can take the number or maybe my email address or maybe my WhatsApp number, anywhere you want to connect. That's not a problem at all. मेरे अलावा ऐसे लोग जो आपको नेटवर्क क्रिएट करने में हेल्प कर सकते हैं, आई थिंक द बेस्ट वे, अभी थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लम है बिकॉज कोविड एरा इज देयर, बट आफ्टर कोविड अ लॉट ऑफ ओपन इवेंट्स हैपन. जो फाउंडर इवेंट्स होते हैं, को फाउंडर्स इवेंट होते हैं, स्टार्टअप इवेंट्स होते हैं, जस्ट गो फॉर दोज इवेंट्स. इररिस्पेक्टिव वो कभी सीपी में होगा, टच वुड वी आर blessed with that. We are living in Delhi NCR and Delhi NCR is a hub for startup right now after Bangalore, if I'm talking about that. So ऐसे events होते हैं, go there, just be a little upfront in speaking. ये जिन लोगों के साथ जो इंट्रोवर्ट होते हैं ना, सबसे ज्यादा ये वाली प्रॉब्लम वो लोग फेस करते हैं. दे डोंट वांट टू स्पीक. आई वाज वन ऑफ देम. अगर मैं किसी इवेंट में जा रही हूँ तो मुझे प्रॉब्लम होती थी टू स्पीक अबाउट माय स्टार्टअप. आई स्टिल हैव दिस प्रॉब्लम, बट जितने लोगों से आप बात करोगे ना, आई गेस आई थिंक उनमें से 1/10 लोग आपके लिए हेल्पफुल रहेंगे. सो इररिस्पेक्टिव ऑफ कॉलेज, अगर आपको लगता है कि कॉलेज का नेटवर्क आपके काम नहीं आ रहा है, मे बी योर सीनियर्स, बिकॉज एक होता है ना अपने कॉलेज से लगाव होता है. आई हैव स्टडीड फ्रॉम एक्स कॉलेज, मुझे उस कॉलेज से थोड़ा सा लगाव होगा, तो अगर उसका कोई स्टूडेंट्स मुझे अप्रोच करेगा, अगर मे बी आपका कोई सीनियर हो जिसने कोई स्टार्टअप शुरू किया हो, इफ यू अप्रोच देम ऑल्सो थ्रू द लिंक्डइन नेटवर्क, थ्रू फेसबुक, Insta, wherever, they can help you out. If you have similar idea to something that is running around, you can approach them also. And there are a lot of networks, Startup Noida, Startup Delhi, Startup India, Facebook pages है, वहाँ ज्वाइन करो, वहाँ पे भी आपको काफी सारी लर्निंग मिलेगी.
मैम ये तो काफी क्राउडेड आपने बताया जो आपने फेसबुक इंडिया, मतलब मैं एक डायरेक्ट पाथ जैसे,
हाँ नहीं, डायरेक्ट वन ऑफ द वेज इफ यू वांट टू कांटेक्ट मी, यू कैन वेरी वेल यू कैन कांटेक्ट. नेक्स्ट इज लिंक्डइन वगैरह. मैंने आपको अदर वेज बताए हैं कि देयर आर इवेंट्स दैट हैपेंस अराउंड. क्लब हाउस इज वेरी गुड प्लेस आई बिलीव राइट नाउ इन सब चीजों के लिए. क्लब हाउस में पीपल लिसन टू यू. जैसे यहाँ हम लोग अभी मैं आपसे 1-to-1 बात कर रही हूँ, तो सिमिलर क्लब हाउस में भी होता है. अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल आर देयर हु लिसन टू यू एंड हु आर रेडी टू हेल्प यू, बिकॉज लाइक माइंडेड पीपल बहुत लोग हैं. इंडिया की पॉपुलेशन 130 करोड़ से ज्यादा है. सो इट्स नॉट दैट कि आपके पास एक यूनिक आइडिया होगा, डेफिनेटली किसी और के पास भी आप जैसा सेम आइडिया होगा, मे बी वो आपके सामने नहीं आया होगा. सो क्लब हाउस आई बिलीव वन ऑफ वेरी गुड वे जहां से लोगों को लाइक माइंडेड इंडिविजुअल से कनेक्ट करने का मौका मिलता है. सो दिस इज वन ऑफ द वे. लिंक्डइन में यू कैन चेक द प्रोफाइल ऑफ पीपल. सी इट टेक्स टाइम. मे बी आप मुझसे बात करो, मुझे भी आपका आइडिया हिट नहीं हो. I'm saying in a way, but
Yeah, right.
you have to, आप crowded चीजों की बात करें ना, you have to reach the crowd, क्योंकि वहां पे आपका मे बी वो लाइक माइंडेड इंडिविजुअल तो आपको मिले. मेरे लिए अगर जब मैंने स्टार्टअप शुरू किया था, द फर्स्ट पर्सन जिसके साथ मैंने शुरू किया था, आई फाउंड ऑन फेसबुक, जस्ट स्वाइपिंग द फेसबुक फीड. मैंने उस टाइम सोचा भी नहीं था कि मुझे ट्रैवल इंडस्ट्री में एंटर करना. आई वाज अ सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर, आई ऑलवेज वांटेड टू डू समथिंग इन सॉफ्टवेयर, समथिंग लाइक दैट. ऑल्दो ट्रैवल यूज्ड टू अट्रैक्ट मी, बट ऐसा कुछ नहीं था कि आई वांटेड टू डू इन दैट. बट व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड डूइंग इट, आई लाइक्ड इट. सो मे बी आपके फ्रेंड्स, या मतलब आपके साथ किसी को ढूंढ रहे हो जो आपके साथ काम कर सके, वो आपको कहीं पे भी मिल सकता है. इट्स जस्ट अबाउट दैट वन क्लिक, and that click takes a little time. That's it. So for like approaching me is very easy. You can contact me, and for others, there are places. So I believe I was able to answer you right.
Sure, ma'am. Ma'am, can you please share your LinkedIn ID?
Yeah, I can share that. Doctor, can you contact your teacher for that? I can share the details there.
Okay, ma'am, no problem.
I'll give on the WhatsApp as so this chat as well, but you can ask your teachers as well, no problem. Okay. Anybody else?
Ma'am, what is the name of your company?
The company name is Travel In, and 6 months back I launched one more company, that is Dreams and Decor. So that's a wholesale decor company. So we have tie up with the artisans of India. Basically, if you guys have time, I can give you a 2 minutes introduction to that. So travel in पूरा travel startup था, but when I was traveling through my startup, because हम लोग बहुत सारे groups लेके जाते थे, a lot of corporates, जिन लोगों के साथ हमें travel करना पड़ता था, we found it like India के जो products हैं वो आउटसोर्स हो रहे हैं, दे आर बीन एक्सपोर्टेड आउट ऑफ इंडिया. और एक्सपोर्ट होने के बाद जब कोई हमारा पर्सन, कोई एनआरआई, मतलब मेरा कोई फ्रेंड है जो यूएस में रहता है और वो मेरे लिए प्रोडक्ट लेके आता है, आई एम वेरी हैप्पी टू सी दैट प्रोडक्ट, बट एक्चुअली दैट प्रोडक्ट इज मेड इन इंडिया. अगर मैं क्रिसमस प्रोडक्ट्स की बात करूँ, these are like different festivals are there in US or in Europe or in XYZ market, जो इंडिया में सेलिब्रेट नहीं होते, और उनके प्रोडक्ट्स बहुत अच्छे होते हैं. इफ आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट हैंडमेड प्रोडक्ट्स जिसकी इंडिया में वैल्यू नहीं है, वही प्रोडक्ट हम फॉरेन से बाय करेंगे, फॉरेन टैग से, लेकिन वो मेड इन इंडिया होंगे. So such products we found while traveling, and for them I saw the pricing difference कि 1,000 रुपए की चीज बन रही है, उसको एक्सपोर्ट किया जा रहा है 1,010 रुपए में मान लो, और वही चीज हम वो घूम फिर के इंडिया वापस आ रहे हैं और हम उसको 5,000 में बाय कर रहे हैं. सो दिस वाज द थिंग दैट वाज हैपनिंग अराउंड. सो हमने ऐसे आर्टिशियन को फिगर आउट किया जो हैंडमेड, हैंड क्राफ्टेड इंडियन प्रोडक्ट्स में डील करते हैं, and we are connecting those people. It's just has been 6 months, so we have created connections of that. हम टचवुड हम खुद से भी एक्सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं. वी हैव फुलफिल्ड एट दुबई एक्सपोर्ट एज वेल. होटल्स वगैरह में हैंड वॉश के जो हैंड क्राफ्टेड थिंग्स होती है, लाइक स्टोन, जो इंडिया में स्टोन पाया जाता है, वो सारे स्टोन्स वगैरह के जो प्रोडक्ट्स होते हैं, एंड नाउ वी आर गिविंग इट बैक टू इंडिया. कि आप यूएस से जाके मत खरीदो इंडिया की चीज, इंडिया से ही खरीदो. उससे बेटर वहां पे आप जो 1,010 रुपए में फॉरेन में देके 5,000 में इंडिया में खरीद रहे थे, वो चीज 2,000 में आप इंडिया में खरीद लो जो 1,000 में बन रही है. सो इन दिस वे वी हैव प्लान द सिस्टम आउट, and soon we'll be launching it full fledged. So I think हमारे पास भी बहुत अच्छे अच्छे products होंगे. We'll be having luxury home style product and in lesser cost, so that were affordable by the rich only पहले. So this is the idea behind my second startup.
Ma'am, one more question from my side.
Yes sir.
Actually, in this pandemic,
Yes sir.
as our Prime Minister Modi has said that आपदा में अवसर, आपदा में हम देख रहे हैं एक कंपनी से आपने इसी के दौरान दूसरी कंपनी भी खोल ली. तो जब ज्यादातर कंपनी बंद होने के कगार पे थी, तो आपकी कंपनी हाइक पे जा रही थी. तो इसके पीछे आपने किस तरह फ्रेमवर्क में वर्क किया, सो दैट स्टूडेंट हमारे इंस्पायर हो कि भाई ऐसी कंडीशन में भी आप अपनी कंपनी को आगे ले गई. तो ये आपने कैसे किया?
सर, आपदा में अवसर की बात ये है कि जब ट्रैवल इन पे आपदा पड़ी, इफ आई एम टॉकिंग क्लियरली, कोविड के टाइम्स में, तो आई थिंक आई टोल्ड यू 6-7 मंथ्स के लिए हमारे पास बिल्कुल बिजनेस नहीं था. एंड उसके जस्ट पहले हम लोगों ने गवर्नमेंट कॉन्ट्रैक्ट क्रैक किया था, जिससे हम गवर्नमेंट के एचसीएस ऑफिसर्स का स्टे मैनेज कर रहे थे फॉर 3-4 मंथ्स. और उस स्टे के दौरान मतलब वी वर गेटिंग अ लॉट ऑफ कॉल्स, हम लोग लिटरली इरिटेटेड थे. आई रिमेम्बर वन डे आई वाज टेलिंग कि यार जिस दिन ये कॉल्स बंद होंगे आई विल स्लीप फॉर 2-3 डेज रेगुलरली, या कहीं पे घूमने चली जाऊंगी. एंड इट हैपेंड, उनका कॉन्ट्रैक्ट क्लोज हुआ था मार्च एंड में, और अप्रैल से मार्च आई थिंक 28 या 25 को ही हमारा कोविड का फर्स्ट लॉकडाउन लगा था. सो दैट वाज द टाइम एक्चुअली मेरा फोन शट डाउन हो गया था, मतलब फोन पे कोई कॉल्स ही नहीं आती थी. एंड आई वाज वन ऑफ द पर्सन जिसका 24 आवर फोन बज रहा है, बिकॉज हम लोग लिटरली 24 आवर्स क्लाइंट्स के लिए अवेलेबल रहते थे थ्रू ट्रैवल इन. कुछ मंथ हुआ चला कि ठीक है यार कोई नहीं, 1 महीने में ठीक हो जाएंगे सिचुएशन, 2 महीने में ठीक हो जाएगी, 3 महीने में हो जाएगी. एंड देन वी रियलाइज कि यार व्हाट इज हैपनिंग, अब क्या करें. थोड़ा बहुत वी हेल्प द डॉक्टर्स, हमने डॉक्टर्स के स्टेज वगैरह अरेंज करे. बट उसके बाद वी वर लाइक यार अगर ये सिचुएशन कंसिस्टेंट रही, इफ पीपल लीव ट्रैवलिंग, मतलब लिटरली ये था कि लोग अगर ट्रैवल करना ही छोड़ देंगे देन व्हाट वी विल डू, या फिर ये सिचुएशन अगर 2-3 साल तक खिंच जाएगी तो व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू. वी वर नॉट क्लियर अबाउट दैट. सो एट दैट टाइम वी वर लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू द आइडियाज कि यार हमारी कंपनी ट्रैवलिंग किस चीज से और कनेक्ट करती है, एंड हाउ कैन वी हेल्प द पीपल अराउंड इंडिया. उसी टाइम पे इंडिया का एक्सपोर्ट भी शट डाउन था, क्योंकि फ्लाइट्स वर नॉट रनिंग. अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल जो ये आर्टिशियंस होते हैं, अगर मैं बेसिकली फैक्ट्रीज की बात करूं, नोएडा इज अ हब फॉर दीज थिंग्स. आई थिंक मैं जिन चीजों में डील कर रही हूँ थ्रू माई सेकेंड कंपनी ड्रीम्स एंड डेकोर, उसका 50% चीजें नोएडा में मैन्युफैक्चर हो रही है. एंड सब घर पे बैठे थे अपने, मतलब एक फैक्ट्री में thousands ऑफ पीपल आर वर्किंग अराउंड एंड एवरीबडी वाज सिटिंग एट होम. So this was the time we realized कि यार we can help these people. हम लोगों ने इतना ट्रैवल करके देखा है लोग कितनी मेहनत से काम करते हैं या और कुछ करते हैं. एंड वी वर हैविंग टाइम आल्सो, बट आई बिलीव कि आपदा के टाइम पे हमारे पास टाइम था, वैसे हमारे पास टाइम नहीं होता था, क्योंकि हमारे पास क्लाइंट्स होते थे, आज कॉर्पोरेट्स, आज ये है वो है, तो हर चीज में बिजी रहते थे. सो दैट आपदा वाला टाइम गेव अस टाइम टू थिंक व्हाट एल्स वी कैन डू इन आवर लाइफ एंड हाउ वी कैन रिलेट टू आवर करंट थिंग, सो दैट हमें प्रॉब्लम नहीं हो. क्योंकि मैनेजिंग 2 कंपनीज इट्स एक्चुअली डिफिकल्ट. स्टार्ट करना कोई मुश्किल बात नहीं. आज मैं 10 कंपनी रजिस्टर करके 10 चीजें शुरू कर सकती हूँ. मैं साइकिल भी बेच रही हूँ, मैं ट्रैवल भी बेच रही हूँ. मैं कल को सोचूंगी कि नहीं यार मैं तो आज फूड इंडस्ट्री में भी एंटर कर जाती हूँ, कैफे भी खोल लेती हूँ, सब कुछ कर लेती हूँ. वो करना डिफिकल्ट नहीं है, बट करके चलाना मुश्किल है. सो हम लोगों ने लिंक करने की कोशिश की, कैसे हम ट्रैवल को और हमारी करंट कंपनी को लिंक कर सकते हैं और हम कैसे उनसे लोगों को बेनिफिट पहुंचा सकते हैं. सो आई थिंक वो आपदा को अक्सर हमें उस टाइम ने दिया, आपदा के टाइम ने हमें सोचने का टाइम दिया, और उस सोचने के टाइम की वजह से आज मैं अपनी एक दूसरी कंपनी स्टार्ट कर पाई हूँ. आई विल से स्टार्टिंग इट बिकॉज येट द थिंग इज वर्किंग. मतलब अभी वो इनिशियल स्टेज पे है, टचवुड हमने एक्सपोर्ट्स किए हैं, बट अभी इंडिया लेवल पे उसको लॉन्च करने के लिए हम पहले उसमें कुछ ट्रायल्स चला रहे हैं, लाइक पुटिंग अपार्टमेंट्स वगैरह में हमारे प्रोडक्ट्स को पुट करके कि हाउ पीपल आर लाइकिंग इट एंड हाउ वी आर कॉस्ट इफेक्टिव. उसके बाद विल स्टार्ट विद द वेबसाइट या फिर उसको ई-कॉमर्स में लॉन्च करेंगे. बट अभी स्टिल द सेकंड कंपनी इज ऑन द स्टार्टिंग फेज एंड दिस इज हाउ आई मेड अवसर विद दैट आपदा.
थैंक यू मैम फॉर द इंस्पायरिंग वर्ड्स. अविशांक, आप कुछ जोड़ना चाहेंगे इसमें? अविशांक है यहाँ पर?
यस सर, यस सर.
बताइए, आपने आप भी अपनी कंपनी चला रहे हैं, तो आपने कैसे आपदा में अवसर बनाया, जो मोदी जी हमारे प्राइम मिनिस्टर कहते हैं. मैम के तो बहुत अच्छे वर्ड्स रहे और काफ़ी मेहनत की मैडम ने. एक कंपनी के साथ में दूसरी कंपनी भी कोविड के टाइम पे खड़ी करना कोई आसान बात नहीं था, लेकिन वो मैडम ने किया. तो आप कुछ शेयर करना चाहेंगे?
सर एग्जैक्टली हमने मैम जैसा तो कुछ इतना बड़ा नहीं किया है, लेकिन बिल्कुल सबके साथ यही सिनेरियो था कि हम लोगों की बात भी जब मार्च में लॉकडाउन लगा तो स्टार्टिंग में बहुत अच्छा लगा हम लोगों को, एक बहुत बड़ा ब्रेक मिल गया है, तो बहुत अच्छा लग रहा था स्टार्टिंग के 1 महीना. फिर 14 दिन के बाद जब फिर से लॉकडाउन लगा तो मुझे और अच्छा लगा कि चलो पूरा 1 महीना मिल गया है. लेकिन उसके बाद जब एक्सटेंड होना शुरू हुआ तब लगा कि नहीं, ये थोड़ा ज्यादा बुरा होता जा रहा है. तो बहुत वक्त तक हम लोग बहुत बड़े ब्रीफ हॉल्ट पे थे, हम लोगों ने कुछ ज्यादा काम नहीं किया. एंड देन एन आइडिया क्लिक्ड अप. हमने सोचा कि अभी तक जिस तरीके के हम लोग इवेंट्स इंडिया में करते आ रहे हैं, वी वर इनटू मोटर स्पोर्ट्स इवेंट या मोटर स्पोर्ट्स सेगमेंट में हम लोग कंस्ट्रक्शन का काम करते हैं, तो वहां पे जाके हम लोग को ये लगा कि हम लोग कुछ वर्चुअल इवेंट्स को लॉन्च कर सकते हैं. सो आई हैव डायरेक्टली लॉन्च दोज इवेंट्स. हमने खुद डायरेक्टली उन इवेंट्स को लॉन्च नहीं किया, बट विद फ्यू ऑफ माय पीयर्स वी एस्टेब्लिश दिस लीग, और हमने जनवरी में अपना पहला एक वर्चुअल इवेंट को टारगेट किया. एंड देन फरवरी हमने अपना एक दूसरा इवेंट किया. फिर अभी 10 दिन पहले हमने अपना तीसरा इवेंट एक वर्चुअल का खत्म किया है। तो मेरी बहुत छोटी सी स्टोरी है यहाँ पे, बट हाँ हमें ये लगा कि एक वर्चुअल इवेंट्स की कैटेगरी को मार्केट में लेकर आना चाहिए। उसके बाद जो हमारी कॉम्पिटिटिव कंपनीज हैं, या हम लोग बोलते हैं कोलैबोरेटिव या कोलैबोरेटर्स हैं जो भी, उन लोगों ने भी ऐसे वर्चुअल इवेंट्स को लॉन्च किया। खासियत ये रही कि अभी तक जब हम लोग इवेंट करते थे, हम लोग सिर्फ इंडिया की टीम्स को टारगेट करते थे। अगर एक कॉलेज से कोई टीम भी जाती है तो 50,000 रुपए, 1 लाख रुपए टीम को देना पड़ता है। आप खुद अपने कॉलेज में जेएनआईओटी की टीम आज तक किसी इवेंट में नहीं जा पाई है, क्योंकि बहुत पैसा देना पड़ता है। पर इन वर्चुअल इवेंट्स की वजह से बच्चों को सारी चीजें सीखने को मिल रही है। बस ये है कि वो एक गाड़ी लेके डायरेक्टली किसी इवेंट में नहीं जा रहे हैं, पार्टिसिपेट नहीं कर रहे हैं, बट वो पूरा एनवायरनमेंट उनको वर्चुअली वहां पर मिल रहा है। इसकी वजह से हम लोगों ने सिर्फ इंडियन नहीं, हमने कुछ इंटरनेशनल टीम्स को भी टारगेट किया। तो थोड़ा सा हम लोगों ने वहां पे एक अच्छा किया। मुझे लगता है कि वर्चुअल इवेंट्स इंडिया में एक बहुत बड़ी चीज होने वाली है। जिस तरीके से बाकी की सारी कंपनीज ने भी चालू किया, जनवरी में पहला इवेंट हुआ था, आज के वक्त में लगभग 12 इवेंट इंडिया में वर्चुअल इवेंट्स हो रहे हैं। तो चीजें ऐसे ही शुरू होती हैं।
Shank, student, can you say something for the students, how they start their own startups?
ओके सर, वैसे तो सब कुछ मैम ने बता दिया है, मेरे पास इतना कुछ तो नहीं है। बट हाँ, जैसे कि मीनाक्षी मैम ने बोला, लाइक इफ योर व्हाई इज क्लियर, इफ यू नो व्हाट यू वांटेड टू डू एंड व्हाई यू वांटेड टू डू इट, यू जस्ट हैव टू गो विद इट। ये जो पूरा प्रोसीजर होता है, जो मैम ने एक बात बोली थी कि जो मोस्टली हमें लगता है कि प्रॉब्लम्स हैं, वो एक्चुअली प्रॉब्लम्स नहीं है। दिस इज व्हाट वी नीड टू फिगर आउट। ये बस करना और आगे बढ़ना है। इफ इट्स सो इजी तो हर कोई करने लग जाएगा। इजी है पर इतना भी नहीं। So if you know why you wanted to do this thing, if you can give up your time, if you can give everything that you really wanted to do, तो आप जरूर स्टार्ट करिए। Like you should have to go for it. When you are into college, तो आपके पास वो सारे लोग हैं जो आपके साथ मिलकर काम कर सकते हैं। आपके शायद आप लोग आईटी के स्टूडेंट्स हैं, आपके पास कंप्यूटर साइंस के स्टूडेंट्स होंगे, शायद आप लोग खुद होंगे जो वेबसाइट डेवलप कर सकते हो अपने लिए। कई सारे लोग ऐसे होंगे जो आपके लिए एसईओ का काम कर सकते हैं। कई सारे लोग आपके प्रोडक्ट को वॉलंटियर करके मार्केट कर सकते हैं और कोई भी आपसे पैसा नहीं ले रहा है। दिस इज व्हाट अ कम्युनिटी ऑफर्स यू व्हेन यू आर इनटू योर कॉलेज, जब आप एक सीनियर जूनियर की लीगेसी को एंजॉय कर रहे होते हो। सो आई बिलीव बीइंग इनटू कॉलेज इज द बेस्ट टाइम फॉर यू टू स्टार्टिंग अप। मैम, एक आपके लिए क्वेश्चन है चैट बॉक्स में, आई होप आपने देख लिया है।
यस अभिशांक, मैं उसी को आंसर कर रही हूँ। आई हैव जस्ट सीन इट। डॉक्टर मिश्रा, आई वांट टू मेंशन वन थिंग। अभिशांक, हर्षित, आपने मुझसे क्वेश्चन पूछा था ना, नेटवर्क कैसे क्रिएट होता है।
Yes,
सो
sir.
अभिशांक और मेरा भी नेटवर्क वाज क्रिएटेड थ्रू फेसबुक, and it has been, I think, 2.5 to 3 years we know each other, and we are very in a very good way connected, and one startup can help other startup is one of the example how Abhishank and we are connected. So I believe crowded places are the best places to find out the gems. What I believe the most. I hope Abhishank you'll agree that.
Yes ma'am, yes ma'am.
Yes, students, any other question? Yes, पहले तो स्टूडेंट्स को लगता था कि जो लोग इंटरप्रेन्योर होते हैं बहुत हाई फाई लोग होते हैं, लाइक टाटा बिरला होते हैं, या वो बहुत ज्यादा ऐसा कुछ करते हैं कि उनकी स्टोरी बिल्कुल ही अलग से ही आती है, एकदम दे कम्स फ्रॉम हेवन। लेकिन मैम हमारे बीच में है जिन्होंने ऐसी स्टोरी बताई। देखिए, 2 कंपनियां अपनी खड़ी कर ली थी, स्टार्टेड 2 कंपनीज एंड वेरी यंग इंटरप्रेन्योर। पहले जब ये लोग बात कर रहे थे कि मीनाक्षी मैडम को बताएंगे, तो हमने बहुत एजिड होंगी मीनाक्षी मैम, कह रही अभी टाइम नहीं मिल पा रहा है, सी इज वेरी सीनियर एनफ। तो हम ये सोच रहे थे मीनाक्षी मैडम बहुत एजिड होंगी। जब हमने फोटो देखा, हमने हो सकता है ये पुरानी फोटो हो, जब फेस टू फेस देख रहे हैं तो देख रहे हैं बहुत ही यंग एज में आपने इतना सारा कुछ हासिल किया। तो स्टूडेंट्स भी इससे बहुत ज्यादा इंस्पायर होंगे कि दे कैन ऑल्सो डू समथिंग। जैसे मैं भी सोचता रहा कि ये आइडिया ठीक है, इसे स्टार्ट करेंगे, ये आइडिया ठीक है, ये स्टार्ट करेंगे, लेकिन जॉब हमेशा रही, कभी जॉब में छोड़ नहीं पाया। मैं पर्सनली भी बता रहा हूँ, मैं कभी जॉब नहीं छोड़ पाया। मैं सोच रहा हूँ जॉब तो अच्छी खासी चली रही है, इसके साथ कुछ कर लें। और तो काम बड़ा मुश्किल होता है कि आप ये कुछ सोचें कि आप इंटरप्रेन्योर बन जाएं। बहुत सारे आइडिया थे, आइडिया सोचता हूँ 2 दिन तक आइडिया रहता है, चलो कंपनी खोलेंगे, 2 दिन बाद वो अपने आप डल हो जाता है, अरे नौकरी करनी है, आराम से जॉब, सब कुछ ठीक चल रहा है, वही गोइंग टू स्टार्टअप राइट। लेकिन स्टूडेंट्स के लिए शुरू में जब आप जाते हैं बहुत ज़्यादा इंस्पायरिंग है। मैडम का पूरा जो जर्नी है वो बहुत इंस्पायरिंग रही, और इतनी कम एज पे मैडम अभी इतने मुकाम तक पहुंची हुई हैं, डेफिनेट है। और हम उम्मीद करते हैं कि हाँ, कि बाकी स्टूडेंट्स बहुत ज़्यादा इंस्पायर हुए होंगे